In the US, 3D printed homes are completely changing the game. Think these printed walls are fragile. They easily shrug off sledgehammers and massive impacts. Instead of wood framing, giant robotic arms extrude a heavy-duty concrete mix, stacking the structure layer by layer in record time. The tech is so precise, it can even print fun custom shapes. Plus, the hollow wall design makes adding advanced insulation an absolute breeze. The final result: a beautiful, ultra-strong and highly efficient modern home. Would you live in a 3D printed house?